Today we'll guide you through the process of changing the language on Etsy, allowing you to browse and navigate the platform in your preferred language. Let's begin. Step 1. Go to the Etsy.com website. Start by visiting the Etsy website at www.etsy.com and ensure that you're logged in out of your account if you're already signed in. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Scroll down to the bottom of the Etsy homepage. There, you'll find a section labeled Language or Language Preferences. Step 3. Click on the current language. In the Language or Languages Preferences section, click on the current language displayed. This will usually be in the language currently set for the website. Step 4. Select your preferred language. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and click on the language you want to use for Etsy. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferred language, Etsy will automatically update the website to display in the chosen language. You may need to confirm your selection or save your preferences. Step 6. Check the language. Navigate around the Etsy website to ensure that the language has been successfully changed. All text and navigation elements should now appear in your selected language. That's it. You've successfully changed the language on Etsy, making it easier to browse and use the platform in your preferred language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.